trigonometric ratios of allied angles. See here, this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, pi by 2, this is 180 degree, that is pi radian, this is 3 pi by 2, 270 degree. So 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. These are quadrant angles anta helತೀವಿ. Quadrant angles. See, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, the third quadrant, the fourth quadrant. Recollect the angles ASTC. A stands for all the trigonometric functions are positive. Here sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive. T stands for tan and its reciprocal cot are positive. C stands for cos, not cosecant, cos theta and its reciprocal secant theta are positive. So ASTC, all students take coffee, not now, after meals, or else all silver teacups, just to remember. So A stands for all the trigonometric functions are positive. From here to here 90 degree, little less than 90, that is 90 minus something, 90 minus theta. So from here to here 90, 1 degree more than 90 means 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta. So from here to here 180 degree, less than 180 degree means 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta. So from here to here 180, 1 degree less than 180 means 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta. 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270, less than 270. So that is 270 minus theta, 270 minus theta. 270 plus theta means fourth quadrant, 270 plus theta. From here to here 360 degree, less than 360 means 360 minus theta. So complete round 360 here, so more than that, that is 360 plus theta. Back to pavilion, that is back to first quadrant again. Okay, so 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. 180 plus theta or 270 minus theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remember. 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. Only sin theta and its reciprocal cosecant theta are positive, the remaining 4 are negative. 90 minus theta or 360 plus theta, all the trigonometric functions are positive. Now the first one, trigonometric ratios of minus theta in terms of theta. Where does minus theta lies? Where does minus theta lies? Where does minus theta lies? See here, if I rotate in a clockwise direction, so that is a negative measurement. Minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, you know. In the fourth quadrant, as per ASTC rule, only C stands for cos and its reciprocal secant are positive. If I rotate in a clockwise anti-clockwise direction means positive measurement. Recollect the measurement of angle. If I rotate in a clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, positive measurement. If I rotate in a anti-clockwise direction antandre negative measurement kandrapa. If I rotate in a anti-clockwise direction, that is a positive measurement. See, minus theta is, this is actually theta. This is theta. If I rotate in a anti-clockwise direction, clockwise directional rotate adaga minus theta. Minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. Only cos and its reciprocal secant are negative. That's why cos of minus theta positive plus cos theta, secant of minus theta plus secant theta. cos of minus theta, cos of minus theta plus, whereas the remaining 4 are negative. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta, tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Why? Because in fourth quadrant sin, tan, cot and cosecant are negative. So cosecant of minus theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant of minus theta is cosecant theta. Next, second one, trigonometry ratios of 90 minus theta in terms of theta. Where does 90 minus theta? Recollect, 90 minus theta less than 90. 90 minus theta lies in the first quadrant, In the first quadrant, all are positive. 90 degree and 270 degree trigonometric function changes. Sin changes to cos of the angle theta. Since it is 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant, all are positive. Cos of 90 minus theta, 90 degree means trigonometry function changes. Cos changes to sin theta. Tan of 90 minus theta. So 90 means trigonometry function tan changes to cot of the angle theta. First quadrant means positive. Then cot of 90 minus theta, which is tan theta. Cot changes to tan, since it is 90 degree. First quadrant means positive. Secant of 90 minus theta, that is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta, that is secant theta. First quadrant, Then the third one, I made a small change here only. The third one, trigonometric ratios of 90 plus theta in terms of theta. So sin of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means second quadrant, In the second quadrant, only sin is positive. Whereas 90 degree means trigonometry function changes. Sin changes to cos. Since it is sin, it is positive. Cos of 90 minus theta. Cos changes to sin. Since this is cos, it should be negative. 90 plus theta. Cos of 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So trigonometry function before change into consideration to decide whether it is positive or negative. Change ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಾ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ದೆನ್ tan 90 plus theta is cot theta. 90 plus theta means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative. Cot of 90 plus theta. Cot changes to tan. So tan theta. 90 plus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot is negative. Secant of 90 plus theta. So 90 degree means trigonometry function changes to cosecant theta. So 90 plus theta means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cosecant is also negative. Cosecant of 90 plus theta changes to secant theta. 90 plus theta means second quadrant, In the second quadrant, as per ASTC rule, only sin and cosecant are positive. This is positive. This is positive. The remaining 4 are negative. Next, fourth one, trigonometric ratios of 180 minus theta in terms of theta. Sin of 180 minus theta. 180 degree means doesn't change. Even multiples, 2 into 90 degree, 180 degree. For 180 degree and 360 degree, trigonometry function remains the same, does not change. So that means sin theta only. Whereas 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, only sin and cosecant are positive. Cosecant of 180 minus theta. 180 means remains the same. So that is cosecant theta only. So which is positive. Cos of 180 minus theta, which is cos theta. So 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative, you know. Tan of 180 minus theta. 180 means doesn't change, remains the same, tan theta only. 180 minus theta, second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative. Again, cot 180 minus theta remains the same. It is also negative. In the second quadrant, 180 minus theta, cot is negative. Secant of 180 minus theta, that is secant theta. So secant theta is also negative in the second quadrant. Correct, you know? In the second quadrant, that is also negative. Okay. So then come to the fifth one. I made a small change here only. So trigonometric ratios of 180 plus theta in terms of theta. Look at 180 plus theta means lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, as per ASTC rule, only tan and its reciprocal cot are positive. 180 means trigonometric function remains the same. So sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta, cos of 180 plus theta minus cos theta, tan of 180 plus theta, third quadrant, you know, so plus tan theta. 180 means remains the same. Cot of 180 plus theta, cot of 180 plus theta, so third quadrant, so cot is also positive plus cot theta. 180 means doesn't change. Secant of 180 plus theta, so that is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, secant is negative. Okay. Cosecant of 180 plus theta, it lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cosecant is also negative. So recollect, 180 plus theta means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. The remaining four are negative. Since it is 180, remains the same. Next, let us take trigonometric ratios of 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta means third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, as per the ASTC rule, only tan and cot are positive. Look at 270. 270 can be written as 3 into 90 degree. No? 3 is an odd number. For odd multiples of 90 degree, trigonometric function changes. Now 270 minus theta, it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, so only tan and cot are positive. 270 means changes, sin changes to cos theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant, you know. In the third quadrant, sin is positive, I mean negative. Only tan is positive. Cos 270 means changes, cos changes to sin theta. So 270 minus theta, third quadrant means only tan is positive. This is cos, that's why it is negative. Trigonometric function before change into consideration to decide whether it is positive or negative. Tan of 270 minus theta. 270 means trigonometric function changes. Tan changes to cot theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant. Third quadrant means tan is positive. Cot changes to tan theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant means it is also positive. So cot of 270 minus theta is plus tan theta. Secant 270 means secant changes to cosecant theta. 270 minus theta means, so the third quadrant, in the third quadrant secant is negative. Cosecant 270 means changes to secant theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cosecant is also negative. Cosecant is negative. Next, 270 plus theta, you know. 270 plus theta means it lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, only cos and its reciprocal, secant are positive. So let us write the trigonometric ratios of 270 plus theta, 270 plus theta in terms of theta. See, sine of 270 plus theta. 270 means trigonometry function changes. So 270 plus theta is the third quadrant. I mean fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Cos 270 plus theta. 270 means trigonometry function changes. Cos changes to sine, you know. So in the fourth quadrant, cos is negative and positive. So in the fourth quadrant, only cos and its reciprocal secant are positive. Cos and secant are positive. Since this is cos theta, it is positive. Sir, sin theta idiyalva sir, negative alva anta kelbaardu. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕಣ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ 270 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ 270 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಕಾಟ್ 270 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. 270 means trigonometric function changes. Cot changes to tan. 270 plus theta fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cot is also negative. Secant of 270 plus theta. 270 means secant changes to cosecant theta. Secant 270 plus theta fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. That's why, so secant of 270 plus theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant of 270 plus theta. 270 means trigonometry function changes. So 270 plus theta is fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cosecant is negative only. Sir, secant ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So these are the trigonometric ratios of 270 plus theta in terms of theta. Trigonometric ratios of 360 minus theta in terms of theta, let us write 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta, it lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, as per ASTC rule, only cos and secant are positive. Look at this. Sine of 360. 360 means trigonometry function remains same. That is sin theta only. Positive or negative? 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Cos 360, 360 means remains the same trigonometry function. Trigonometry function remains same. Cos 360 minus theta is positive. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive now. Tan theta only since it is 360. So in the fourth quadrant, tan should be negative, minus tan theta. Cot 360, 360 means doesn't change, cot theta only. So 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cot is negative. Secant of 360 minus theta, that is remains the same, secant theta only. Fourth quadrant means it is positive. And cosecant 360 minus theta remains the same, cosecant theta only. 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cosecant is negative. That's why, so in the fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. 360 means remains the same. Let us write ninth one. I just made a small change here only. Trigonometric ratios of 360 plus theta. Trigonometric ratios of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta means it is in the first quadrant. 360 plus theta. Okay. So sine of 360 plus theta, first quadrant means positive. Cos of 360 plus theta, positive. Tan of 360 plus theta, positive. First quadrant, you know, 360 means doesn't change. Cot of 360 plus theta plus cot theta. Secant of 360 plus theta, secant theta. Cosecant of 360 plus theta, cosecant theta. Understood? So you try to recollect these trigonometric ratios, that is minus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. We have 9 set of formulae A, B, C, D, E, F. So in the next class, in the next session, we are going to discuss the problems based on this. So please learn these formulae.